What happens when a single screen tries to replace your gaming monitor, your TV, and your productivity display? That's the question the Samsung M90SF Smart Monitor throws at the entire market. It looks like a TV, connects like a monitor, and behaves like something in between. And the more you explore it, the more those categories start to blur. In this video, we're breaking down what the M9 gets right, where it stumbles, and whether this hybrid approach is actually the future of personal displays. Because once you see how Samsung blends OLED, streaming features, and high refresh PC performance into one device, the debate gets interesting. The M9 makes an immediate impression with its clean, minimalist aesthetic. The metal-wrapped rear panel, discrete vents, and sturdy stand give it a premium feel, while full ergonomic adjustments, tilt, height, and portrait rotation make it surprisingly flexible for both desks and media setups. Setup is simple, and the included VISA plate keeps mounting options open. It's clearly designed to look equally at home, in a workspace, or a living room. At the center is a 32-inch 4K QD-OLED panel delivering deep contrast, rich color, and ultra-fast pixel response. The matte finish keeps reflections under control without dulling detail, making this one of the few OLEDs that still looks great in bright rooms. Movie mode provides strong accuracy for SDR and HDR content, and HDR10+ with dynamic tone mapping adds punch to highlight detail. The wide color gamut and crisp resolution make the M9 equally capable for creative work, entertainment, and general day-to-day use. What really separates the M9 from traditional monitors is Samsung's built-in smart platform. You get Wi-Fi, streaming apps through TV+, voice assistance, and a proper media remote. But it also delivers full PC connectivity with HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C with 90-watt charging, and extra USB ports. A built-in 4K webcam turns it into an instant video call and productivity hub, while the integrated speakers offer better than average clarity for a monitor this size. With a 165Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync support, gaming feels smooth and responsive. OLED's near-instant response time eliminates blur, making games look sharp and cinematic. Productivity also benefits from the anti-glare coating and sharp 4K text rendering. Streaming content looks fantastic here too, especially HDR titles, though the menu system can feel inconsistent depending on what you're doing. Gaming, watching, or browsing. The Samsung M90SF is essentially 3 displays in one: a fast gaming monitor, an HDR-capable TV, and a productivity powerhouse. And the best part is that it doesn't force major compromises in any direction. It's priced in the premium range, but given the QD-OLED visuals, strong ergonomics, smart features, and PC-friendly connectivity, it earns its place. The only real annoyances are a slightly fragmented menu system and the lack of a dedicated input switch button on the remote. For anyone building a hybrid setup, working in a tighter space, or wanting one screen that truly does almost everything, the M9 is one of the most compelling options on the market right now. So what do you think? Could this replace multiple displays on your desk? Or are you still not ready to go all in on a hybrid? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed the breakdown, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.